If you are someone who wants to speak English fluently but doesn't know how to speak and what to speak, so this video is for you. Hi, my name is Mohit Sambaria, and in this video I will be sharing with you 3 ways to practice of your English speaking. And whatever I am about to tell you, this is what based on my experience, because I was also in your shoes. I wanted to speak English fluently but I didn't know how to speak and what to speak. So in this video, I will be sharing with you 3 practice. If you do that for next 30 days, 50 days, you will have improved your communication skill. Because the practice that I am about to tell you, every practice has its own advantage. So watch this video till the end. Let's start the video. First practice is that is speaking in front of camera. I have been doing it for so long and I can't even tell you what I have got by this exercise. Because before I wasn't able to speak in front of camera, and now I have recorded more than 8 to 10 videos and uploaded on my YouTube channel because of this exercise. So you must be thinking, Mohit, what to speak? Let me tell you. Just hold a topic, grab a topic that could be anything about your daily routine, about your hobby, why are you learning English, what did you do yesterday. Just write about that topic and speak that topic in front of camera. When you are speaking, you are not just speaking, you are improving your communication skill, you are becoming good in front of camera, you are creating your way of speaking. This is the first practice with that you need to do. Second practice is self talk. You must be thinking, Mohit, I have just started learning English. How can I do self talk? Let me tell you how you can do self talk. I know self talk means is murmuring and whispering. So you don't need to do it on higher level. What you need to do is you just need to sit down on a place and you just have to speak. What are you observing? There is one practice which you can do if you really want to do self talk. That is situation talk. Situation talk means is whatever you are doing, just try to speak that. Don't need to be loud, don't need to speak loud. You have to speak in a tone so that you can understand what you are speaking. And as I told you, every practice has its own advantage. So the advantage of this exercise is when you do self talk, so you talk to yourself, and it has been seen that self talk is much helpful than English speaking partner. Because if you are using an English speaking partner, so you will be using that for next 2 hour and 3 hour. But self talk is what you can do 24 into 7, and there is no one who will judge you, who will look at you, and who will laugh at you. So this is what you need to do: self talk, situation talk. Third practice is use Gemini application. I have been using Gemini application for so long, and why I am telling you to use this, because when you use Gemini, so Gemini asks you lots of instance question, and it has been seen that those person who are not able to speak in front of camera and who are not able to handle a conversation because of this. Because most people want to speak English fluently, but why are you speaking? You are speaking English to handle a conversation. So if you are not able to answer of instant question, how will you be able to speak English confidently? So this is the reason I am telling you to use Gemini. Because when you use Gemini, Gemini asks you instant question. You have to think out of the box and you will have to answer out of the box. This is the reason you have to use Gemini. Just go to Gemini. There is a voice over option. Just tap on that option and talk to Gemini. You must be thinking, Mohit, what to talk? Whatever you spoke in front of camera, whatever you spoke in your self talk, situation talk practice, just talk about that topic with Gemini. You can say anything, just say to Gemini, Gemini, I want to talk to you in English language about this topic. You just have to ask me lots of questions. I am at beginner level, or I am at advanced level, intermediate level. At what level you are, you just need to say this. Gemini will ask you lots of questions based on your level. So this is what you need to do. In this video, I have told you 3 practice. If you do these 3 practice for next 30 days, you would have improved your communication skill a lot. Because I was also in your shoes, and now I have created more than 8 to 10 videos and uploaded 8 to 10 videos on my YouTube channel. So if you found this video helpful, so subscribe this channel and like this video and drop your comment in the comment section.